Mr. President, it is my privilege to present to you the candidates for conferment who have satisfactorily completed the academic requirements prescribed by the Juris Doctor degree from 1993 to 2013. Mr. President, it is my honor to inform you that the candidates for conferment before us have completed the academic requirements prescribed by the Juris Doctor degree and therefore qualified and eligible for the same title and degree.
By virtue of the authority vested in me by the Legal Education Board and the Board of Regents of Pamantasan ng Lungsod ng Maynila, and pursuant to the Legal Education Board Memorandum Number 19, Series of 2018, and Board Resolution Number 4828, I, President of the Pamantasan ng Lungsod ng Maynila, hereby confer upon you the degree of Juris Doctor with other rights, honors, and privileges, as well as the concomitant obligations and responsibilities thereto appertaining. Congratulations, our esteemed PLM Juris Doctor conferees.
Once again, congratulations, PLM College of Law Batch 1993 to 2013. Our dear conferees, you may now be seated. With utmost pride and reverence, we present our newly conferred Juris Doctors their well-deserved diplomas. The distribution of diplomas shall be led by the University